off me, this. Shot, shot, shot. I'm gonna do this. You'll have this short moment in time that is only available if you had a strong balance. Now to create distance for a weapon, because headbutt's not here, elbow is not here, and this hand he's holding. I want to now use the same principle we just trained, the shoulder bump, to open up, and now use this attachment I still have as a collision effect to that headbutt. So I just find an attachment, get this part of the brain, or skull I have to say, and then drive off that back foot, squeeze the jaw together, and work as a unit going forward, driven off the back foot. So not this, bump. Try to have the hard part of your skull against this ski goggle, right? Stay away from the teeth. Also depends on height. If somebody's way taller than me, maybe you can headbutt under the jawline. If he's smaller than me, it's not available. Maybe the shoulder bump will do the trick. Now you can go to impact, but okay, it's not always available. It's just a tool, restricted strike. You hit, crash, so I don't do only this, I accelerate and pull against the shot. So that first, without the elbow. Hit, hit, get this, yes, understand what this is in real life. I know he's always giving resistance, right? If this happens for real, keep in mind I bumped him on the head first and he chose still to crash inside. That happens, he will fucking grab me because he don't want to get hit. He understood now I got a hit on my face. He's crashing me down for a reason. You want to control his limbs so I cannot hurt him, right? If I in this dynamic first need a groin, he will absolutely push me head over heel and then I go to the floor. I want to avoid this on the street, right? So what I want now is from this position, simulate he holding me. So I need to work my ass off to get this arm free. And it can only be done by this bump and then maybe the headbutt. Now he sticks on me very hard, that's fine. Then bump again, bump again. Now this becomes boom, that, and now boom, that will be the closest tool. Because it's a bad drill. You want to simulate that. So don't flop the arms around. I'm showing you the field first hit. Just especially boom. Now I bump, you don't have to work with me, but after this bump, bump, he needs to give me something. If he doesn't, if he sticks on me like this after that, and do it, just get pressure. Yeah. So he doesn't allow me that, boom, I go that, and now I go boom, brainstem. That is the resistance drill we just did. This is 1, 2, he creates distance 2. That doesn't work. I do this 1, 2, then I do fucking something else. And I wait on him. But for the purpose of this drill, stick, bump, yeah. This position, bump, and then maybe bump to the elbow. But first the headbutt. Okay, play. Crash him, boom, bump. I will not work with her, get again, boom, now, boom. Yes, that's the progression in this drill. So one more time. Again. So recognize when there is space. Now, she had success with the first bump. She chose to do it again. I'm not an idiot. That's a waste of energy. Now probably when she comes over now with this hand, she will still have target. But she could be more effective. My understanding, after that bump, there's maybe the dick with my head that makes space for that one. So one more time. Get on point. One more time. Again. Aim for the pad. That's it. Just copy that. If you find somebody way heavier than you, if you press in, this first needs to be strong, otherwise you go to the floor anyway. And let's say if you didn't use this explosive motion of that boom, shoulder bump, then sometimes you feel you can push what you want, but this is such a strong individual, and use this push as a decoy, and then you do the step back. So it becomes less explosive. But maybe push as hard as you can, it didn't work. Just think, I want to push this explosive as I can and create distance. So it's a combination of push-pull, I guess. Push and then step away. Not always available, but maybe if one didn't work, you try the other one as hard as you can with a step back. Right? So it will be and again. Everything flows. You see? So when you remove this pad, boom. The pad is realistic. Not actively hold me, right? I want to think, fuck off me, this. The grab is going to be again, and again, becomes BAM! So really feel, let him feel the venom. He should understand that he made a mistake by sticking on you. One more time. Go, crash in. Because he does it as an attacker, so do it again. Bump. Get him off you. Again, one more time. He needs to be afraid of me when he feels and hears my intention. Get that in now. Right?